Hello viewers, this is Palaskides Crafts. Today we'll be learning how to make lovely elephant and fish bookmarks. So they can be placed in between a book in this form. So just cover, or the second one, get square pieces of colored sheets of paper and fold in this form. Fold back the upper flap. Then fold up the right side like this. The left side too should be folded to meet at the center. Then tuck each side in. The other side inwards. Place aside and fold the second sheet of paper. Cut out the pieces that are used to decorate the elephant from sheets of paper. So I'll be cutting out the tusk and the mouth first. We'll decorate the trunk with a red pen. And begin to fix all the pieces to the folded bookmark. So fix the trunk first. Fix the tusk. Fix the two ears. Fix the Google eyes. Fix the mouth. And then our elephant bookmark is ready. So we'll cut out the decorative pieces on the fish bookmark. So decorate the fish bookmark. And then fix the pieces to it. The Google eyes, the fin, and then the tail. Now our bookmarks are ready for use. Hope you like the video. Thank you.